How to fix Roblox client is not responding. So if you want to fix the Roblox client is not responding problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your search, and under search you need to search for Roblox. Once you have your Roblox, now you just need to simply right click on your Roblox and you can go with open file location. And once you go with the file location here, you will have your Roblox player and your Roblox studio, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Roblox player and you need to right click on it, go with the properties section, and here under compatibility, here you need to make sure that the disable full screen optimization, make sure that you've checked that on. And under compatibility, you need to go with run this program in compatibility mode. For you can just simply go with the drop down and you need to choose Windows 7 or 8, and don't forget to apply the changes. Click on apply. And if you're having issues with the Microsoft Store version of the application, then make sure to reset the Roblox app. If you don't find the Roblox application right here, then it means that you have the Microsoft version. So what you need to do is just simply go and search for the Roblox, and here you can just simply go with the app settings. Under app settings, you can scroll down and you can go with terminate and repair, and just wait for a few seconds and then again click on reset. And once you reset, then your problem will be fixed. You can relaunch and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Roblox client is not responding error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.